Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, thank you so much for the time. Today, I would like to present about utilization of ultrasonic wave in the production of reduced graphene oxide from coconut shell biomass, eco-friendly and sustainable approach. My name is Nur Afiwazin from Telkom University Purwokerto. Graphene is 2D material that has attracted the attention of many researchers because it has unique combination of properties including mechanical flexibility, high transparency, high surface area, high electrical conductivity, and chemical stability. The superior properties of graphene make graphene suitable for wide applications such as in energy application, for example, supercapacitor, solar cell, fuel cell, and batteries. There are several methods to synthesis of graphene. However, the first until three methods need high technology, high cost production, and uh, produce a small amount of graphene. On the other hand, reduced graphene oxide method produce a larger amount of samples. This method commonly uses graphite as the raw material. The synthesis process begins with the oxidation of graphite to obtain graphite oxide, exfoliation of graphite oxide to produce a graphene oxide, followed by thermally or chemical reduction to produce RGO. But this method uses dangerous raw material, for example, strong acid, and this method time consuming. So that synthesis of RGO at a large scale and efficient, sustainable, eco-friendly, and low cost remains a challenge. Some studies reveals that biomass derived activated charcoal or carbon has great potential to replace graphite into the synthesis of graphene. Coconut shell, when carbonized, produce charcoal that is then activated, resulting in activated carbon with a higher carbon content compared to the other biomass source, as supported by the reference. However, the morphology of activated carbon, which consists primarily of pores, differs from the sheet-like structure of graphene. Therefore, additional processing steps are necessary to produce graphene-like material. The utilization of ultrasonic waves offers several advantages, such as assist in the exfoliation process, providing high reproducibility, accelerating the reduction process, being environmentally friendly, and controlling the size of graphene sheets. Hence, this study aims to development of fossil-efficient, low-cost, and eco-friendly method for the synthesis of reduced graphene oxide. And then number two, determination of the effect of ultrasonic utilization on the morphology, surface composition, crystal structure, and electrochemical properties of RGO material derived from coconut shell-based activated carbon. Okay, the study used several stages including carbonization, activation, exfoliation, and reduction. Uh, For the first, the coconut shell was dried for 1 hour at a temperature of 300 degrees Celsius and then activated for 24 hours using potassium hydroxide as an activation agent. The sample was then using the water and exfoliated using an ultrasonic bath. And then the last stage is the reduction process to remove oxygen functional group using a microwave for 5 minutes. And then the final material was characterized using a range of techniques, including FSM, ADX, SRD, and electrochemical things, to assess morphology, elemental composition, crystal structure, and electrochemical properties of the synthesized RGO. Here, this is a result and discussion. XRD analysis. This XRD pattern indicate a disruption between carbon layers and the formation of graphene within the porous carbon structure. In the samples treated with ultrasonic wave UV30 and UV60, the diffraction peak slightly broadens and decreases in intensity when compared to the UV0 sample. This research support the hypothesis that ultrasonic treatment plays a role in modifying the internal structure of carbon and has the potential to enhance characteristics of RGO materials. Okay, this is FA SIMS and ADX analysis. The UB0 sample exhibit the formation of dense agglomerates with an even distribution. In contrast, ultrasonic treatment in the UB30 and UB60 samples result in more distinct exfoliated structure, with longer ultrasonic duration promoting the formation of thin sheets resembling graphene. The ADX analysis confirmed that corresponding atomic composition where the UB30 sample has the highest carbon content was selected as the optimal sample for further electrochemical performance testing. This finding indicates that ultrasonic treatment effectively reduces oxygen functional groups and increase carbon content in the material. Okay, the figure presents the CV curve of supercapacitor electrodes fabricated from three samples. The cyclic voltammetry analysis of three samples revealed charge storage characteristics resembling those of electric double layer capacitor. The UB30 sample exhibit a more stable CV curve across scan rates ranging from 10 until 100 millivolt per second, suggesting superior ion-electrode interaction and enhanced electrochemical stability. In contrast, the UB0 sample, which didn't undergo ultrasonic treatment, demonstrated lower stability, likely due to a less disparate or homogeneous material structure. Meanwhile, the UB60 sample subjected to ultrasonic treatment for 60 minutes saw decreased stability at higher scan rates, possible due to structural imperfection induced by prolonged ultrasonic exposure. Overall, ultrasonic treatment for 30 minutes yield the most favorable performance, providing better stability compared to both UB0 and UB60. Okay, the conclusion, the result of this study indicate that using ultrasonication significantly improved the quality of properties of reduced graphene oxide derived from coconut shell biomass. Variation in ultrasonication treatment time were shown. The effect to structure morphology, elemental composition, and electrochemical properties of RGO. Specifically, 30-minute ultrasonication treatment produced a delimited sheet morphology, increase carbon content, and improve stability in CV curve, indicating excellent electrochemical performance and ideal capacitive behavior. This research highlights the effectiveness of utilizing ultrasonication as a cost-effective strategy for producing high-performance reduced graphene oxide, paving the way for sustainable energy storage application. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.